First up, we have a classic favorite with a healthy twist, our guilt-free pumpkin pie. Made with wholesome ingredients like almond flour, coconut milk, and a touch of natural sweeteners, this pie is packed with flavor and nutrients. You won't even miss the traditional recipe. Next, we have a delicious treat that will satisfy your sweet tooth without the Guilt chocolate avocado truffles. These rich, creamy truffles are made with smooth, ripe avocados, dark cocoa powder, and a hint of vanilla. Indulge in these guilt-free delights and savor the decadence. Now, let's talk about our guilt-free holiday drink, a refreshing cranberry spritzer. Made with fresh cranberries, sparkling water, and a splash of lime juice, this festive spritzer is a perfect alternative to sugary sodas or alcoholic beverages. So raise your glass and celebrate the season without guilt. Lastly, we have a twist on the classic gingerbread cookies, our guilt-free gingerbread energy bites. These little bites of happiness are made with oats, dates, and warm spices, giving you a burst of energy to keep you going during the holidays. They're the perfect healthy snack to satisfy your cravings. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy and delicious recipes. Enjoy a guilt-free festive season with these mouth-watering treats. Happy holidays!